This video explains how to enter cost estimates in an inspection when using a PC. PalmTech allows you to enter cost estimates for individual inspection items in your inspection reports. In order to do this, you must have the option checked for Allow Entry of Cost Estimates in Program Settings. Let's take a look at how this works. We currently have an inspection open in the PalmTech program that already has information filled out. You'll notice that at the end of each line, we have a button with a $sign on it. This is the cost estimate button. Let's say we want to enter a cost estimate for the walks line. To do this, we'll click on the cost estimate button at the end of the line. We are now looking at the Enter Cost Estimate screen. On this screen, we can enter a high and a low cost, as well as indicate whether this is for repairing the item or replacing it. We can also enter a note that will be associated only with the cost estimate for this item. Let's fill it out. For the low cost, we'll enter $50, and for the high, we'll enter $150, and we'll leave it as a repair cost. For the note, we can either type in a new note, or if you simply want to copy the text that was entered in the note for the line, we can do that by clicking on Copy Text from Note. Let's do that since our note described the issue. Now that we've filled out all the info, we can click on OK. We've now filled out our first cost estimate. Let's fill out one more for the porch line. To do this, we'll click on the Cost Estimate button at the end of the porch line. Here we'll enter $5 for the low and $25 for the high. It is a repair, so we'll leave that marked, and this time instead of copying the text from the note, we'll simply type in handrail loosely attached to home. When finished, we'll click on OK. That is a look at how you enter cost estimates. The last thing that we'll go over in this tutorial is how to edit the cost estimate settings. To do this, we'll click on Program Settings. Now at the bottom, we'll click on the button for Cost Estimate Settings. This screen allows you to edit both the cost classifications and the cost types to use the terms that you prefer. An example to a change that you could make would be to materials and labor. For the cost types, instead of using high and low, or instead of repair and replace, you might want two classifications that indicate the time frame of when the cost can be expected. Once you finish making all the changes, click on OK and then OK again. This concludes the video on using cost estimates on a PC.